Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Actually, I'm re-uploading this video because the previous one become outdated. So let's get started. There's not much you need to do. Just head over my GitHub repo and I will leave link in the description below. Once you are there, all you have to do is copy and paste the command. Let me show you how. Alright, after opening my GitHub repo, the first thing you will need is Termux installed on your phone. If you don't have yet, you can download it by clicking this link and make sure you download Termux from F-Droid because the Play Store version is outdated. You can also download F-Droid version directly from here. It's the same thing. I have already installed, so I will just cancel the download. Now go ahead and open the Termux. Alright, the first thing we need to do is give Termux storage permission. To do that, simply copy this command and paste it into Termux. Okay, so next we need to update our Termux. So for that you need to copy this command and paste it here, and it will take a lot of time. Okay, so you can see something like this in your terminal. So you just need to press enter. Alright, update is done. Now we need to install a distro manager. So copy this next command and paste it into your terminal. Alright, now it's time to install Arch Linux. To do that, you need to run the next command, root distro install. And this command will list all the available distro. So you can see it's listed a lot of distro here. So we need to choose the perfect distro for our phone processor. So our phone processor based on ARM. So we need to choose ARM based distro. So you can see here Arch Linux and ARM in the last. So you need to remember this name, or you can just copy the command from step 6. So here you can see, but remember in future the Linux distro name get changed or something, so you need to run pro distro install and see the name.
Need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life.
Okay, so our Arch Linux installation is done. Now we need to log in into Arch Linux.
All of it closely. I played it innocent. A feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it.
Okay, so if you can see root @localhost in your terminal, that means you are inside Arch Linux.
Fearless.
Okay, so now we need to comment out one thing in pacman config. So for that you need to run this command and then you need to click down arrow. Just go down. Alright, so now you can see download user is equal to ALPM. Now you need to put a hashtag here. So it will change the color. It means you did the right. Now you need to be careful here. So first you need to press Ctrl, then press O, and then after that you need to press enter, and then again Ctrl, and then X. Alright, now you are good to go. Now next we gonna update our Arch Linux and install fastfetch. And it will ask for proceed with installation, so you need to press enter. Alright, so now our update is done. If I paste fastfetch in terminal, then you can see the fastfetch set. Let me zoom out the screen and now run fastfetch. Alright, now good. Alright, now you need to exit from Linux. So for that you need to type just exit in terminal. Okay, next we need to create a file that can log in automatically into Arch Linux. So for that you need to copy this command and paste in terminal. And then we need to create a directory for Arch Linux. So paste this command here. Now again we need to manually log in into Arch Linux using this command. And then we need to create another profile inside Arch Linux. Alright, now everything is done. Now you need to restart your Termux, and when you open your Termux, it will automatically boot into Arch Linux. Pretty cool, right? Next, we need to update our Arch Linux again. So for that you need to paste this command. Okay, so next we need to install Node.js. So for that you need to copy this command and paste into terminal. Alright, I think it's done. Let's check it using node-v command. Alright, so you can see node version is 26. So it's installed. Alright, now then you need to restart your Termux. Finally, now we can install our AI coding tool. For that you need to copy this command and paste into terminal. Now we need to do one more thing. Okay, so copy this last command and paste in terminal, and that's it. Now we are good to go. Alright, so before starting I want to teach you some Linux command. So our first command is ls command. So this command lists all files and folder. So we don't have currently any files and folder in this directory, so it's showing nothing. And next command is pwd. It shows the current directory where we are. Let me open my file manager and show you. You can say nothing is here. Alright, so now we're gonna create a folder. So we're gonna use mkdir command. Mk is equal to make and dir is equal to directory. So we're gonna create a bot folder, mkdir bot, and when you press enter it will automatically create the folder. So if I run ls, you can see it's showing bot here, and if I check the file manager you can see bot folder is right here. Alright, now let's move to bot folder. So for that you need to run cd bot. Cd is equal to change directory, so we are now inside bot folder. Now we need to run open code here. So type open code here and wait for a second. It will take some time because it's loading first time. Okay, so now our open code is opened. Now we need to type /model command, and we need to select DeepSeek V4 Plus because it's pretty good model, and then max. Good. Now you can give the prompt and get the output. That's it. Now let me give him a prompt. Alright, now you can see it's thinking and creating some files. Okay, so I think it's done. Now let me open my file manager and show you the file. Alright, so here we go. You can see a auth install wiki.html file in bot folder. So yeah, that's it for today. See you guys in the next video, and I will make a Linux tutorial in next video, like how to operate Linux in fully details.
Fast enough, you talk too much shit, but don't